All right, good morning. This is Elements of Calculus 2. This is your daily exercise number 1. We have this integral e to the 1 over x squared dx. So what we're going to do is we're going to start looking at this and saying, what is the most problematic thing? And this e to the 1 over x is kind of frightening. So we're going to say, let u equal 1 over x or x to the negative 1. And then we have to figure out our du. Every time you make a substitution in calculus, you immediately take its derivative, and we end up with an x to the negative 2 like that. It's negative x to the negative 2 dx. Okay, let's go ahead and substitute what we can. So we have integral e to the 1 over x, which we called was u. We still have our x squared here dx, or instead of dx, right? Instead of dx, we're going to say this is dx over x squared negative, right? That's what x to the negative 2 looks like. And we're going to say that's equal to du. We have to make sure that the variables actually align. So instead of dx, we're going to go ahead and solve for dx. And we'll say this is negative x squared du equals dx. So instead of my dx here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to substitute in, okay, this piece right here. So this is negative x squared du. And then there's some stuff that cancels like that. Okay, so that part cancels. So all we're left with is that negative sign, because we have to keep that, e to the u du, and that's the nice integral that we know how to do. So that's going to be negative e to the u plus c, because it's an indefinite integral. And then we're going to say this is negative e to the 1 over x, because we pitched the problem in x to begin with. We have to go back to that. Plus c. You could swap the order if you wanted to say this is c minus e to the 1 over x. That would be fine. But either way you want to write this, that is going to be how you solve this integral. Okay. Thank you very much for watching the video, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.